Welcome again. In the previous video, we had discussed about the meaning of operation research, phases of operation research, and what are the objectives or reason behind to study operation research. Now in this video, we are proceed further. Now we are going to discuss the nature of operation research. So operation research is a interdisciplinary approach. It is a uh, mixture of sociology, psychology, basic sciences. So, in if we say operation search is not an isolation, it works in a group. Then second one is scientific approach. It if, involve in cause and effect relationship. So scientific approach helpful in studying the things in a better way. Third point in feature that is system orientation. ये आपको प्रॉपर्ली सिस्टम को ओरिएंट करती है कि आपका बेसिक पर्पस क्या है, आपके गोल्स क्या हैं, आपका मिशन क्या है। एक मिशन के पीछे आप सब गोल्स बनाते हो, उन गोल्स को सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कंबाइंड करके उन चीजों को अचीव करने के लिए एफर्ट करते हो। देन फोर्थ फीचर्स क्वांटिटेटिव सोल्यूशन। ऑपरेशन सर्च कभी भी आपको क्वालिटेटिव रिजल्ट प्रोवाइड नहीं करेगी, ये क्वांटिटेटिव रिजल्ट प्रोवाइड करती है कि जो आपकी डिसीजन मेकिंग है क्या वो गुड और बैड होगी। अगर आप गुड प्लानिंग करते हो तो हाउ मच यू कैन having increase in productivity and welfare of the employees. And objective approach, it always based on objectivity. Your the decision making you are make going in the future, that always based on objective things. Rational decision making is possible. The next feature of operation search is no control over human factor. It does not consider differentiate between man and machine. It only concerned about quantitative factor. If we say person is more loyal, person is more dedicated, then qualitative aspect of human behavior is not studied by operation research and holistic approach. It is a overall approach regarding to study operation of one particular thing. Whenever you are applying the operation search, you are finding a overall scenario of the things in a proper way. So in the next slide, we are going to discuss about what is the process of operation search. You already aware, operation search is a scientific way to make a decision making, and therefore you have to follow these steps accurately to have a better decision making. So under this, first one is formulating the problem. First step in process of operation search is you have to formulate the problem properly. अगर आपका पहला स्टेप अच्छा होगा तो आपकी आगे डिसीजन मेकिंग अच्छी होगी. Whenever you have to make a formulation of the problem, then you have to keep in mind following component: the environment in which you want to make a decision, what is it, who is the decision maker, objectivity, आपके objective क्या हैं, what are the possible solutions or alternative on which you can make a decision. So next step under this, you have to, next one is deriving solution. You know what is your problem, then you have to find out what is the probable solution you can have in particular situation. So in that, mathematical models and other models can be used. Testing the models and solutions. So under this, you have to test the models and solution. Whatever the result you are finding, you have to match these results with your own results. Then establishing control over the solutions. अब आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि उसमें इंटरनल फैक्टर कौन से हैं, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर कौन से हैं, जो आपके वेरिएबल्स हैं, कंट्रोल्ड वेरिएबल्स कौन से हैं, एक्सटर्नल अनकंट्रोल्ड वेरिएबल्स कौन से हैं, उनका इंटर रिलेशनशिप कैसा है. देन उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे, इम्प्लीमेंट द सोल्यूशन. जो आपने प्रोसेस फाइंड आउट किया, उनको डिसाइड किया, अब जो आपको बेस्ट अल्टरनेटिव लगता है उसको रियल लाइफ में आप अप्लाई करके देखोगे कि अब आपके सिस्टम में सही तरीके से अप्लाई हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. Then why operation research is so important? Number one, it helpful in improving decision making. I already discussed with you. It's helpful in making a better decision making. For example, if you say, I have to go tomorrow for some function, and that function can't be ignored by me. So in that case, whenever you make a decision, for another way, you want to buy a TV, then LED TV is good, or you have to go OLED TV. Then decision making is based not on your subjectivity but on the basis of rational decision making. It improves higher productivity because whenever you make a decision on the basis of operation research, you can minimize the waste, you can control your activities, or you can arrange the sequence of activity in a proper manner. So ultimately, productivity will boost up, better control is there, better departmental coordination when each and everyone in the organization is know how to perform the work, when to finish the task. For example, in Maruti Suzuki plant, everything is going to be in a process. So when one process is complete, then another process will start. So there is a time limit, accuracy is there. Every person is trying to strive the deadline. So ultimately, better coordination prevail among the different departments. Effective handling of inventory, you know, in economic order quantity, what are the reorder level is there, buffer stock is there. So operation research helpful in deciding what is the right time, what is the right quantity, how much the buffer stock is there, how much inventory level you have to maintain. That is possible with the help of operation search. Risk management is there. You know how much risk you can take, what is your risk protection, and if something is went wrong, then what is your backup plan. And proper utilization of resources. No doubt, operation search is minimizing the waste, helpful in proper utilization of resources. So it's increased overall productivity, profitability of the organization or any operation. You can perform the things in a better way. So next thing is every coin is having two sides. Similarly, operation search is having some benefits, then it also have some drawback. First one, it can't count emotional factors. Human and machine is no difference. Second one is decision making is only possible with the help of operation research. If you are having a quantified decision, quantifiable decision is there, you must have reasonable skills, expertise is there. If you can correlate various angle of that particular things in a particular manner. So next thing is employer and employee, when they are working on same thing, then they're having different perspective of one particular problem. So it's different for making a better decision making. Models you are making from the reality. Then model is the models are generalization of the facts. The generalization can be fit in one particular situation, but that same solution can't be applied in another situation. There is a gap between the manager and the researcher. The operation researcher who conduct a research and suggest the manager, this is the problem, that is the probable solution. You have to apply it in that particular way. But there is a conflict between the manager and researcher that will reduce the benefits of operation research and decision making. Operation research involve huge money and time cost. So if you are making a wrong decision, then that's going to be a more costly to the organization. Then major application of scope of operation research. Operation search can be applied in case of transportation problems, in assignment, product mix, production planning. So there are various areas. Agriculture production is there. There can you systematize the things in a proper manner. Financial applications, when is to loan is to be given, how you can maximize your financial output in a proper manner, assignment of personnel when right person at the right place. So that is the various application. List is huge, but I listed some of the example here. Then thank you.